Good morning. So we have the latest generation iX BMW here. This is the iX3. This particular customer has we've worked on two other previous vehicles for him, adding the latest generation Genevo Pro2M. So he's now wanted us to expand it to this particular vehicle that he's just purchased. So as you might have seen from our other videos on our YouTube channel, obviously the Genevo Pro2M is the latest generation in safety camera alert systems. On this particular vehicle we've just added the Genevo Pro2M, but on other cars we can integrate that with the laser track flare, and then you've also got the target blue eye, which if you have a look at our other videos there's further explanations on what those products do. But this particular one is, we've just got the Genevo Pro2M, which is basically radar, passive laser and GPS. On these, the radar head is concealed down here right in the front. You can go twin head at the front, but most of the time we just do a single head. Obviously if you have the laser track flare then you don't have to have that on show. But on this one, due to the nature of the moving sort of airflow flaps on this, we are a little bit restricted in terms of positioning, so we've had to position that just on the side there, just on the other side of where the number plate is. But it's just nestled in there and nicely sort of secured. So I'll just walk around now and just show you obviously how we can achieve a wire-free installation inside the vehicle. So just get in. So yeah, so this is the Genevo Pro 2 here. As you can see, we've just got it in a nice central position, so it's easy for the driver just to look down at the device. It's out of the way, it's not compromising anything else in the car. It's sort of blending in. That's what we like to do here at TTW Installations. Try and do a wire free, so the product just looks like it's suspending there. So I'll just briefly go over, obviously, with the Genevo products. We do a couple in the range. We do a portable version, and then this is the fully installed version. Now this has a lot more features, has a far more sensitive radar for further filtering against false alerts. Now in the UK we are finding now there are newer systems now which are definitely going to be, or are, radar based, so this is future proofing for that. We've also got our own dedicated database in this via the Trinity database, which is only available from UK product. It's not available anywhere else, and that's specifically all set up for UK driving. The actual device itself is very small. It's very detachable here, as you can see. You can just physically take that off when you leave the vehicle if you want to, and then it's just a magnetic connection which is just on there, and then it will then obviously just power back up, and then basically acquires its GPS connection, and then it's sort of ready for the off. So there are some other videos that we've got, but there are so many different sort of settings on here. But the basic settings, you've got different volume settings. You've got, you can set it on a certain, so it'll automatically, whether it's day or night. You've also got various different modes, whether you're driving on the motorway, whether you're in the city, for the detection. There's loads of different settings for distance alerts, the different tones, all the different K bands and radar bands as well. But we preset these devices up specifically for UK driving. If you do drive into Europe, then we can supply you further settings to put on for whichever country that you're going to be in. So if you'd like any further information on the latest Genevo range, or the laser track flare or the target blue eye that we offer, we do 3 of those together, which is our ultimate package. We've actually got I think an Audi RS3 which is in today for some more of this particular kit. The target blue eye and the laser track flare and the Genevo Pro 2. So I'll be doing another video after this particular one when we've completed that job, and post it on our YouTube channel. But yes, if there's any further information, then please get in touch.